Welcome to my pool. Just because you have an above ground pool does not mean you can't have fun pool accessories. As soon as you walk up to the pool, we have a pool bin, and that's so that way you can drop your phone right in there. You can hang up your towel, grab some goggles. You could put your drink right here or anything that you want to hold until you get into the pool. Then this year we upgraded our pool ladder to a more child-friendly one. This is a lot better than the pool ladder that these pools come with. I will say that it was a pain to put together. It does lock so that way kids cannot just lift up this thing down here. On the other side of the pool ladder, we have a pool bar. This is the wooden looking one. I don't think it's real wood, but this is my second year with it. It's nice so that way you can put your drinks, put some food. This one you can lower so that way if you want to pull up some chairs, you can do that. Heading over to our next pool accessory. This is the solar pool lights. The light is underwater. I should probably fill up my pool a little bit more, but you don't have to charge these because it charges with the sun, and you can actually add a few of them around your pool, and it pairs with the pool fountain over there. I'll share that in a little bit, but it comes with a remote so that way you can change the colors, you can change the effect, like there is a strobing effect. I keep saying I want to get a few more and I still haven't done it yet. Over on the other side we have another pool bar, just that way it's not all congested over there by the ladder. This one is a little bit smaller than the other one. This one I like a little bit better just because in the winter when I take this off I can fold it. It's easier to store, but with this one you can't drop it down to lower it if you wanted to put chairs up here. Next to the pool bar we have a pool cooler. This is nice to have so that way you don't have to keep going in and out. It keeps your drinks cold. You can take this off and use it at the beach if you wanted to. You don't have to keep it at your pool, but it definitely keeps the drink's cold. Moving down, we have another pool bin. I believe you get 2 bins in that set, but right now it's just holding a bunch of pool toys, this one. We also have this holder for the pool net, so that way you don't have to constantly go to the garage. It also holds the brush. It also holds towels if you want, or a vest. And then we have our pool fountain. This year, we upgraded our pool fountain this year. This one is a solar one. We had a different style last year. This one has a solar light, so we don't have to constantly take them off and charge them. It does pair with that light over there. You just plug it into the part of your pool that pushes the water out, and you get this beautiful effect. This is great to have when it's really hot. It kind of just feels like a shower in the pool. What else? I have a pool vacuum in here somewhere. There it is. I love this for when I'm lazy. It picks up all the leaves and stuff. My pool is not that clear right now. I have been trying to adjust it, but this year it has been quite a challenge. And then we have a skimmer for an above ground pool. Wish I could recommend this one, but it's a pain in the ass and it doesn't stay. So this is a Best Way Power Steel 18 by 48 pool that we got from Sam's Club. Most asked question is, what did we use for the border around our pool? And for that gray rock border that you see, it's actually a faux rock border that I ordered off of Amazon. I ordered 90 feet and we used almost the entire box. And then we just used white rock from like Lowe's or Home Depot. We definitely use like 20 bags of that. You can use mulch if you want something softer underneath the belly of your pool, but everything will be linked in the description, or you could just scan the QR code. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below.